No! Oh, maintenance.
You can find the maintenance request form at the bottom of our sustainableca.com website. Once you're in the form, fill out your name, your apartment number as well as the building, and tell us what's going on. This form is generated into an email which is sent to all of our team members. We receive the email, assess what's going on, and communicate with you when we'll be by. Usually it's the next day or 2 days. Once we communicate with you and you guys tell us we're good to go, we send an email out to all of our team members with the maintenance team included and let them know what was reported and what we think is going on. All emails are sent out at 7 a.m. each day. Our team plans their day, as each problem can take a certain amount of time. When we stop by, we always knock 3 times and declare that it's maintenance. After 3 times and hearing no one at the door, we let ourselves in. We also hang these tags to let you know that maintenance work is going on inside. Once in, our maintenance team is very thorough in their process. We take a look and confirm that the issue is what you say it is. Sometimes these issues can be tricky, and you may think it's one thing and it could be something completely different. So here we find the issue, and it's a trip breaker. So we reset it. After resetting the breaker, we want to make sure that everything is working as it should be. Good to go. At the end of the day, our maintenance team responds back with what they found and what was done. Once I receive that email, I communicate with the resident and let them know that the work was looked at, completed, tested, and verified proper operation. This lets you know that you can continue using everything as you normally would. That's how SCA does maintenance.